Now we will see how you will divide a decimal number by a whole number. Hope you know what are whole numbers. Whole numbers will never have decimal point in it. So find the first question for you is 6.4 divided by 2. Here the dividend is 6.4 and the divisor is 2. Here the first step you have to do is write the decimal number as fraction. How can you write 6.4? You can write 6.4 as 64 by 10. What is the next step? Perform division as you learnt in fraction. So you should know what is the division rule in fraction. What is the division rule in fraction? You will multiply the decimal number or the fraction with the reciprocal of the divisor. That is 64 by 10 divided by 2. Here the second number is 2. So you will multiply 64 by 10 by the reciprocal of 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? It is 1 by 2. So 64 by 10 into 1 by 2. What is 64 by 10 into 1 by 2? Let's see. 64 by 10 into 1 by 2. I can divide 64 and 2, right? So 2 into 32 is 64. So what is remaining here? It is 32 by 10. That is what is remaining here. So 64 by 10 into 1 by 2. 64 and 2 get cancelled. That is 2 into 32 is 64. So the next step is 32 by 10. I have showed you here how did you get 32 by 10. What is 32 by 10? 32 by 10 is 3.2. Understood? We'll see another question. Step 3, final answer is 3.2. Next question. 0.35 divided by 5. Step 1. 0.35 can be written as 35 by 100. Isn't it? Because in 0.35 there are 2 decimal places. So the denominator will be 100. Now 35 by 100 divided by 5. Fractional division. The first number as such multiplied by the reciprocal of the second number. So what will you write? 35 by 100 into 1 by 5. That is 35 by 100 into 1 by 5. Now you can see I can cancel 35 and 5. How can I cancel? 5 7s are 35. So what is remaining? 7 by 100 is remaining. 7 by 100. 7 divided by 100. You know how to divide by 100, right? 100 is having 2 decimal places. So here you don't have decimal place, but we will start from here. So if I write 7 here, the decimal place shifts to the left. So the decimal place is here for a whole number. So it goes 1, 2. So what is the answer? It is 0.07. Clear? We'll see one more question here. 65.4 divided by 6. 65.4, how many decimal places? One decimal place. Okay. 65.4 can be written as 654 by 10. So I can write the decimal or decimal division like 654 by 10 divided by 6. 654 by 10 into reciprocal of the second number, that is 1 by 6. Again, I can write 654 by 10 into 1 by 6. Here you can see 654 can be divided by 6. 6 into 109 is 654. So what is at last what you will get? 109 by 10. You will get 109 by 10. I told you for a whole number the decimal point will be at the extreme right. That is, it will be here. That is why we don't put it. So how many places you should shift to the left? One place. So it goes right 1. So the decimal point will be here. So the final answer is 10.9. The final answer is 10.9. Okay. Thank you, students. Students, you can find in your notebook many questions like this. I have done it step by step. You can go through it, copy it in your notebook, and if you have any doubt, clear it in the live doubt clearance session. That is division of a decimal number by another decimal number. Yesterday we dealt with division of a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. The second topic was division of a decimal number by a whole number. Do you remember the topics dealt yesterday? The same method is followed here also. Wherever you see a decimal number, you should convert it into fraction. Let's see the first question. 7 divided by 3.5. Here the dividend 7 is a whole number and divisor 3.5 is a decimal number. So what is the first step? You are going to convert 3.5 to fraction. 7 divided by 35 by 10. Now what will you do? You should apply fractional division. That is 7 into reciprocal of 35 by 10. That is 7 into 10 by 35. Let's us do 7 into 10 by 35. 7 into 10 by 35. Okay, so I can cancel 7 and 35, isn't it? 7 5s are 35. So what will I get? I'll get 10 by 5. 10 by 5. What is 10 by 5? You know it is 2. Correct? The next problem. 36 divided by 0.2. 36 divided by 0.2. The same thing happens here also. 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10. So I will multiply by the reciprocal of 2 by 10. That is 36 into 10 by 2. What is that? 36 into 10 by 2. Now what can you cancel? You can cancel 36 and 2. How can you cancel? 2 into 18 is equal to 36, isn't it? 2 into 18 is equal to 36. So what is remaining there? 18 into 10. So the final answer is 180. Third question. Now you can see that your dividend as well as your divisor is having decimal numbers. So what is the first step? You will convert both 3.25 and 0.5 as fraction. 3.25 I can write it as 325 by 100 and 0.5 I can write it as 5 by 10. Why? Here 2 decimal places, that is by 100. Here only 1 decimal place, so 10. So next what is the step? 325 by 100 into reciprocal of 5 by 10. What is reciprocal of 5 by 10? It is 10 by 5. Let us see what is happening here. 325 by 100 into 10 by 5. Okay, so 10 and 10 get cancelled. 5 and 325. It is 5 into 65 is 325. So what is remaining? 65 by 10. That is remaining 65 by 10. How will you write 65 by 10? 65. Where is the decimal point for a whole number? It is at the extreme end, isn't it? So when you are dividing it with 10, the decimal point will shift to the left by how many places? 1 place. So there it goes. It goes here. So what is the final answer? You will get 6.5. Hope the concept is clear for you. So don't get confused.